Hi, let's take a look at the value of this expression, where the numerator is 18 divided by 3 times 2 plus 4, and the denominator is 2. At first glance, this math problem seems very simple, just a few operations, but many people get confused by it. Often, people solve it like this. They look at the whole expression and start calculating strictly from left to right. 18 divided by 3 gives 6. Then they notice the division by the denominator and divide 6 by 2, getting 3. Next, they multiply 3 by 2, which is 6. Finally, they add 4 to 6, getting 10. It sounds reasonable, but it's incorrect, because this method breaks the rule of order of operations. We assigned the wrong priority between multiplication, division, and addition. So how should we solve it correctly? First, we solve the entire numerator. 18 divided by 3 times 2 plus 4. In the numerator, we have division, multiplication, and addition. Division and multiplication have the same priority and are performed from left to right. We start. 18 divided by 3 gives 6. Now we have 6 times 2 plus 4. Continuing left to right, 6 times 2 is 12. Then we add 12 plus 4 equals 16. The numerator equals 16. Now we divide the numerator by the denominator. 16 divided by 2 gives 8. So the correct answer is 8. And if you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.